Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix apps crashing or freezing on Black Shark tablet. If that happens to different apps, not just one, then you may want to try to restart your tablet by pressing on power and volume app like that at the same time, and then click on restart, and I'll get back to you once it's restarted. Now it's restarted. The other thing that you may want to try to do is to update your system. So first connect to a network, go to the settings, go to the system, and then go to system updates and check for updates. If it says that your system is up to date, then you don't have to update because there's nothing to update to. But if there is an update available, you should install it, and that may fix the issues. Now, the other things will be applicable only if one or just a few certain apps keep crashing and the other ones don't. In that case, you should go to the apps, select, so you can click on see all apps and select the app that keeps crashing. That'll be, let's say it'll be Asphalt for me. And first click on force stop, then click on OK, and then you can go to the storage and cache and click on clear cache. And then try reopening the app and see if it works. If it didn't, then there's one more thing that you can do, which is updating the app itself by going to the Play Store, clicking on the name of your on your profile icon in the top right corner, then manage apps and device and find updates available, then updating the app or updating all of them. You can click on update all to update everything on your phone, on your tablet, and I think that should help. If it didn't, then there's likely some issue with the app, and you may want to wait until they roll out an update. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.